Good morning. As you all know, we were studying integers. So I will start from the basic of number system. You all know what this number system is. Till now you have studied what are natural numbers, whole numbers, and now you will be studying integers. So from the start, what are natural numbers first? It's simple. Natural numbers are all the numbers having starting from 1 till infinity. 1, 2, 3, all such kind of numbers are natural numbers. Next, what are whole numbers then? When the number starts from 0 till infinity, means adding 0 to a natural number makes it a whole number. Now, if we all the whole numbers are positive, this starts from 0 and they are all positive numbers. When we add negative numbers to whole number, when we add negative numbers to whole numbers, they become integers. About integers, we will study in this chapter. When we add fractions to integer, they become rational number. Means rational number are actually in p by q form, where q is not never equals to 0. Even integers are also rational. Means if I want to write 1 in a rational form, let's say this is 1. I want to write in this rational form, I can write 1 upon 1. If I want to write 2 in a rational form, I can write 2 upon 1. If a number is not having anything in the denominator, we can place 1 over there. This must be known to all of you. Now, after rational number, there are some irrational numbers also, which you will learn later in class 9th. And the set of all such numbers are known as real numbers. Okay, but in your class 7th, you will study about integers. So, if I say that all whole numbers are integer, all the whole numbers are integer. Yes, all the whole numbers are integer because integers also have 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. All the natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, all the natural numbers are whole numbers because natural numbers are this, and it is in whole numbers also. Does all the natural numbers are integers? Yes, they are also integers. But what becomes false is when I say that all integers are whole number. No, all integers cannot be whole number because integers are also negative. You can better understand this with this figure. Natural number is a part of whole number is a part of integer, and integers are a part of rational numbers, and rational number and irrational number is a part of real numbers. Okay, so from this you get that all natural numbers are whole numbers, correct? All whole numbers are integer, correct? All integers are rational numbers, correct? All rational numbers are real number, correct? But when we come inside, if I say all whole numbers are integers, no. All integers are rational number, no. All rational numbers are integer, no. Now look at to this. I'm explaining it again. Let's say first we have natural numbers. What are they? They starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. This is a sign for infinity. Next, what are whole numbers? This starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Means 0 plus natural numbers equals to whole numbers. 0 plus natural numbers equals to whole numbers. After this, we have integers, which you will study in this chapter. Integers are all negative, 0 plus positive numbers. Okay, so it will be minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till positive infinity. This is integers. Now we'll go to NCERT and we will see that either we have to add or subtract integers in this. Let's see how to show integers on number line first. On number line, this is what you have to do. First you have to draw a number line. How to draw a number line? Just draw a line like this. Mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and go on as we want. If it is asked to show minus 2 on number line, it would be this. If it asks to show minus 2 plus 2, then when we add something to an integer, we'll move right side. This side move करेंगे, we'll move right side on a number line. So we are adding something, we are adding 2, so we'll move 2 side. 1, 2. The new number will be this. And if I say subtract 4 from this, subtract 4 from this, on subtracting we will move left side. This is for addition and this is for subtraction. Now we will move 4 steps towards left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number will be minus 4. The number will be minus 4. This is how you can show it on number line. Let's see what you have in your book. So this is your book. We have to do various pattern with the number in the previous class. Can you find the pattern? You have to just find the pattern in this. 7, 3, minus 1. How many numbers get subtracted from 7 to 3? It's easily visible. From 7 to 3, there are 4 numbers which are getting subtracted. From 3 to minus 1, again 4 numbers. From minus 1 to 5, again 4 numbers. So this would be minus 5 minus 4 gives you minus 9. Then minus 9 minus 4 gives you minus 13. Further, minus 13 minus 4 gives you minus 17. Similarly, you can do for this 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 means every time we are subtracting minus 2. This will be minus 10 minus 12 minus 14. Similarly over here 5, 10, 5, 0, 15, 10, 5, 0, 15 to 10, 5 numbers are getting subtracted same way over here. And let's see what's happening over here. Minus 11 to minus 8. Always remember that negative the number is always smaller. Minus 11 is smaller than minus 8. Minus 11 is always smaller than minus 8. Now, as you know, 11 from minus 11 we are coming to minus 8. That means we are adding how many numbers? 3 numbers. Minus 11 plus 3 will gives you minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3 gives you minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 gives you minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 gives you 1. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. Is that clear? Now to the question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. This is a number line on which temperature has been shown. Like in Shimla it is 5 degree, Srinagar -2, Lahore Spiti it is -5, -6, -7, -8, and on Ooty it is +14, and in Bengaluru it is 22. So we have to read this number line now. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We can easily write the temperature over here now. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? In this, what is the difference in the hottest and coldest place? Hottest is Bangalore, it is 22. Hottest is Bangalore because it is 22. And coldest is Lahore Spiti, it is -8. So if I ask you to find the difference in them, the difference will be 22 minus -8. The difference will be in between this, or you can count it from this number line also if you are unable to calculate. But this is a better method. Difference will be 22 plus 8, because minus sign will become positive, and answer will be 30 degree. There is 30 degree of temperature variation between two cities. Now next, when I say what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Lahore Spiti is -8, Srinagar is -2. From -2 to -8, how much temperature variation is there? There is temperature variation of 6 degrees. Next, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? If we add temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is less than the temperature at Shimla, is less than a temperature at Shimla. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? You have to check it. If we add them, that is 5 plus -2 will gives you 3. 5 plus -2 will gives you 5 is the temperature of Shimla and -2 is the temperature of Srinagar. Their sum will be 3. 3 degree temperature is less than Shimla, correct? Is it less than Srinagar? No, it is greater than Srinagar because it is hotter as compared to -2. Now to the second question. In the quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 5 and 10, what was the total at the end? You just need to sum them all. 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So what we have to do, we can do it like this also. 25. This is what given. 5 successive scores. 25, 5, 25 minus 5, 10, 15 and 10. So if we solve them, it will become 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Adding the positive ones, we get 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 15, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 15 gives you 50. Okay, then 50, and adding negatives 1, minus 5 minus 1 gives you minus 15. The remaining will be 35. So the total score of that person is 35. The total score he got is 35. At Srinagar, temperature was 5 degree on Monday, and then it dropped to by 2 degrees on Tuesday. What is the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? First it was 5 degree. First it was minus 5 degree centigrade, and then it dropped by 2 degree centigrade. So it will be minus 5 minus 2 degrees. First it was Monday, it was itna. On Tuesday it dropped 2 degrees more. So on Tuesday it will be minus 5 minus 2 gives minus 7 degree centigrade. Next, on Wednesday it rose 4 degrees. What is the temperature on this day? Now on Wednesday it rose 4 degrees, means minus 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade, because now the temperature is increasing. Then the answer will be minus 3 degree centigrade on present day. Next question. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating this meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? It is very easy now to find the vertical distance. There is a plane 5,000 meters above the sea level and submarine 1200 meters below the sea level. And we have to find a vertical distance. This is a plane and this is a submarine. Okay, the total distance will be 5,000. We are going down this, and then we are covering 12,000 more. The total distance will be, total vertical distance will be equals to 5,000 plus 1200, because we are going calculating it in this way. The answer will be 6,200 meters. Next, Mohan deposit itna in the bank, 2,000 rupees in the bank, and withdrawal 1,642 from it the next day. If the withdrawal amount from the account is represented by the negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Of course, we'll denote the positive. We will represent the amount in positive. The deposit amount will be represented in positive. Find the balance of Manmohan's account after the withdrawal. Simply subtract. If you have 2,000 rupees, you have given 1,642. How much is left? In same way, you have to find this. You just need to subtract 1,642 from this. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from point A and point B. A to point B, this is 20 kilometers. Now from B she moves 30 kilometers towards west First she came 20 kilometers over here, this is 20, and then she moves 30 kilometers towards west, this is 30. If the distance towards east is represented in positive, if this is positive, then this will be negative. And that how we will represent the distance traveled towards west? If this side is positive, this will be negative. By which integer will you represent the final position from A to west? And this distance will be, because this is in towards west, this will be minus 10. Why? Because minus, we are subtracting 30 from this. She moves this side, then we have subtracted 30, so it will give minus 10. Hope this is clear. Now next. In the magic square, each row, column and diagonals have the same sum. Check which of the following is magic square. You simply have to sum first it like this, column wise, row wise, and then column wise. The sum of each row and column would be same, then it is a magic square. You have to check in both the squares. Verify a minus minus b equals to a plus b. This is a property also. The if negative is multiplied with negative, it becomes positive. You simply put the value of a and b over here and you will get the answers. Then verify the result. I told you minus 8 minus 4 will give you minus 12, whereas minus 8, this we can do if you want. Let's do it on copy. Minus 8 plus minus 4 minus 8 minus minus 4. This is what given to you. You have to find which one is greater. This will give us a result minus 12. Minus 8 minus 4 will give you minus 12. Or you can write it like this also. Minus 8 minus 4 will give you minus 12. Over here this is minus 8. Minus minus will become positive. That will give you minus 4. Now can you identify which one is greater? It is simple. The greater value of negative is always smaller. Minus 4 is greater than minus 12. Similarly, you have to solve rest of them. You can easily simplify them and you can solve. Question number 10. Water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is in the 9th step. Now this we will do tomorrow. I'll explain this question briefly. By the time you can practice this at home also. What a monkey does, he jumps 3 steps down and then jump back 2 steps. Just be on the top and step 3 down, then step 2 up, then step 3 down. Every time he steps down and up, he takes 1 step. And in the last time when he steps down, he will be taking 3 steps. Total steps are 9. So first time he jumps, he takes 1 step. Second time he jumps, he takes 2nd step. Till 6th time he will take 6 steps. On 7th time he will be just jumping to the 9th step and he can drink water. So he will be taking 7 steps. This I'll show you tomorrow. This is for today, and I request you to complete exercise 1.1 in your class notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.